of the Mathematics 1. We are discuss about the chapter multiple integrals and our topic of today is triple integral. First of all, triple integral of the continuous function f of xyz over region V can Hello friends, I am Meghna Parikh and today we are here to start the lecture series of Mathematics 1. Today our topic is multiple integral and subtopic is triple integration of the multiple integral. Now, what is a triple integral in Cartesian coordinate? A triple integral of the continuous function f of xyz over a region V can be evaluated by three successive integration. The triple integral of f of xyz over the region V is denoted by triple integration f of xyz dv, where function is x, y and z. Let the region V is bounded below by a surface z equal to z1 xy and above a surface z equal to z2 xy. Let the projection of region V in xy plane, we say that it is in region R, which is bounded by the curve y equal to y1x, y equal to y2x and x equal to a, x equal to b. So, our triple integral is defined as I equal to x equal to a to b, y equal to y1x, z equal to z1x, f of xyz dz dy and dx. Okay. So, example, evaluate integration 0 to 2, integration 1 to z, integration 0 to yz, xyz, dx, dy and dz. Now, we start I 0 to 2, 1 to z, 0 to yz, xyz, dx, dy, dz. Now, first of all, we are integrate with respect to x. So, it is x square by 2. Limit is 0 to yz. Putting the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, we get y square z, yz, dy, dz. Now, we are integrate with respect to y. So, we have y cube z cube. If we are integrate with respect to y, that time the z is constant. So, we say that it is y cube dy and integration of y cube is y raised to 4 by 4. Putting the limit of z and 1 as upper and lower limit, we get z raised to 4 minus 1. Multiplying with the z cube, we get z raised to 7 minus z cube dz. Okay, now integrate with respect to z, we get z raised to 7 minus z raised to 3 dz and integrate this z raised to 8 by 8 minus z raised to 4 by 4. So, put the limit of upper limit minus lower limit, we get the answer as 7 by 2. Now, triple integrate in cylindrical coordinate. Cylindrical coordinate, that means that is r, theta and z are used to be evaluated in the integral in the region which are bounded by along z axis, planes through the z axis, planes perpendicular that the z axis. Relation between Cartesian coordinate xyz and cylindrical coordinate r, theta, z are given as x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta and z equal to z. In double integral, we are converting it in polar coordinate. In triple integral, we are converting into cylindrical coordinate. So, the triple integration f of xyz dx dy dz, we say that triple integration f of r cos theta, r sin theta, z, mode of z. What is a mode of j? Mode of j is a Jacobian coordinates dz, dr and d theta, where j equal to del xyz upon del r theta z equal to r. So we say that triple integration f of x y z dx dy z, we are replacing dx dy dz as r dz dr d theta. Now one of the example of the r theta, we take integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to under root z, integration 0 to 2 pi r square cos square theta plus z square r d theta dr and dz. Now first of all we are integrate with respect to theta. So r square cos square theta z square. If we are integrate with respect to theta, r and z are constant. So r square as it is. What is the cos square theta? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 plus z square. We are integrate with respect to theta. We get 1 by 2. Integration of 1 it is theta. Cos theta is sin theta by 2. Z square is a constant. So 1 d theta equal to theta. Now put the upper limit and lower limit. We get it here is 2 pi sin 2 pi, that means sin 4 pi, 2 pi z square. Putting the value of 0, we get it is lower limit as a 0 formation. So it is 2 pi. What is the sin 4 pi? Sin 4 pi also 0. So it is r square by 2, 2 pi, z square 2 pi. We are taking 2 pi common. So it is r square by 2 plus z square. Now we are integrate this equation with respect to r, and that time z is constant. So if we are multiplying r, then it's a r cube by 3 and z square plus r, z square into r. Now integrate this 2 pi, integration 0 to 1 r raised to 4 by 8 and z square r square by 2, 0 to under root z dz. Putting the upper limit minus lower limit, we get under root z raised to 4, that means z square, under root z raised to 2, that means z, and this z square is z cube dz. Now integrate with respect to z. So we get z cube by 8, z raised to 4 by 4. So we get 8, 0 to 1. Put the upper limit minus lower limit. We get answer the 2 pi into 4 by 24. So it is pi by 3. Okay. Now evaluate triple integral r under root x square plus y square dv, where r is solid bounded by the surface x square plus y square equal to z square, z equal to 0, z equal to 1. Using cylindrical coordinate r theta z. What is x? X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, z equal to z. We have under root x square plus y square. We say that it is r. dv is equal to dx dy dz. So we say that it is r dz dr d theta. Now limit of under root x square plus y square less than z less than equal to 1, because z equal to 0 to 1. So r is less than equal to z is less than equal to 1, theta is 0 to 2 pi, and r equal to 0 to r equal to 1. So we have the limit under root x square plus y square dv, triple integration r into r dz dr d theta. What is our limit? First limit is 0 to 2 pi for the theta. For z it is 0 to 1. For r it is r to 1. So first of all we are integrate this integration with respect to z. So 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1 r square, integration of 1 dz, it is z, r to 1. Putting the upper limit minus lower limit, we get 1 minus r. Multiplying with the r square and integrate with respect to r, we get r cube by 3 minus r raised to 4 by 4, 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit, we are integrate with respect to theta. So we get 2 pi minus 0 by 12 equal to pi by 6. Now triple integrate in spherical coordinates. spherical coordinates, that means r, theta and phi, are used to evaluate the integral in the region which are bounded by the sphere with the center at the origin. Relation between Cartesian coordinate xyz and spherical coordinate r, theta, phi are given by x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi and z equal to r cos theta. Okay. So, integration is xyz dx dyz. Integration, triple integration function x as r sin theta cos phi, y as r sin theta sin phi and z is r cos theta. Mode of j is said to be a Jacobian coordinate dr, d theta and d phi, where j equal to del xyz upon del r theta phi equal to r square sin theta. Using this formula, del x by del r, del y by del r, del z by del r, again del x by del theta, del y by del theta, del z by del theta, del x by del r, del y by del z, del y by del z and del z by del z. So we getting r square sin theta. Okay. So now, hence we say that triple integration f of xyz dx dy dz. So we get triple integration f of xyz dx dy dz, triple integration r fr sin theta cos phi, r sin theta sin phi, r cos theta, r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Now example, integration 0 to infinity and 0 to infinity dx dy dz upon 1 plus x square plus y square plus z square whole square. It is difficult to integrate this integral in Cartesian form. So we are taking x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi and z equal to r cos theta. The region integration is positive octant of the plane. So we are taking r equal to 0 to infinite, theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 and phi equal to 0 to pi by 2. See, in this 3-dimension plane, we are taking r equal to 0 to infinity and theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 and phi equal to 0 to pi by 2. Hence, spherical coordinate of integral is given by dx dy dz, that means r square sin theta dr d theta. For the x square y square z square, we write as a r square whole square. Now integrate this. So it is r square dr 1 upon r square raised to 2. We are multiplying with the theta and separating. This is the first lecture method. We are separating this as a integration dx, integration dy, integration dz. Similarly, we are here integrate as r dr, d theta and dz. So r equal to 10t and dr equal to sec square t. So r equal to 0, t equal to 0, r equal to infinity, t equal to pi by 2. So limit of this case as 0 to pi by 2, r square 10 square t, 1 plus r square sec raised to 4t sec square t dt. 0 to pi by 2 integration sin theta d theta, 0 to pi by 2 d phi. Now it is converted as a tan square t upon cos square t. So we are taking 0 to pi by 2 as a sin square t minus cos theta 0 to pi by 2, phi 0 to pi by 2. Put all the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. We get the answer as a pi square by 8. Here some example list out from your to do yourself. Thank you.